my name is Naveen Kumar. So I am from Chitradurga. So I completed my BTech at Presidency University, and for me, our lecturer told to join this JSpiders. Like they are providing good knowledge on like we don't know those kind of things. So he taught me to join over here. So in my college during days. So I came here, I joined here, and so here JSpider is one of, like if you don't know anything, you can start with the scratch. They will teach like they doesn't matter about your stream and all, so you can learn easily. So I taken Java full stack. So here the faculties are good, and HR will support us in a good manner, like and so with it. So thank you.